Sales Transformation Unit welcomes you to Pathshala.
Welcome, sales warriors. I hope you and your family are keeping well in these unprecedented and difficult times. In this challenging situation, we have to take utmost care and work smart. Let us understand DAP process and video KYC. Sourcing hampered in this pandemic. Regular process is taking time. Customer needs loan quickly. How to process fast? How to collect documents? Oh God, I wish if I had a HDFC Bank genie to guide.
हुकुम मेरे आका।
Now let us discuss new to bank journey. NTB cases also without physical document can be done. First, let's discuss if customer chooses eKYC and need to agree terms and conditions. Like ETB, customer has to put his Aadhaar number and need to validate through OTP. Online eKYC done, there will be pre-filled data which can be seen. Identity and address proof is directly fetched from UIDAI, hence no KYC needed from customer. If we do eKYC for NTB cases, customer is eligible for video KYC. Like ETB customer, here also customer has to mention his employment details like his employer details and work email ID, and next customer has to fill his income and obligation, and basis this customer will get an offer. Customer has to select loan amount and tenure and can apply for the loan. You can see here Aadhaar address is already captured. Customer need to select address and also need to mention his personal email ID. Similar to existing customer's journey, here also need to mention correct office address with PIN code along with work email ID and need to validate it. Please note that here customer has to enter his valid PAN card number and need to validate it. Consent for video KYC will appear. eKYC with PAN card validation leads to video KYC. After providing consent by clicking continue and with the verification code, next click on e-verify your income and accept terms and conditions. It will lead to Perfios page. Here customer can use net banking login ID and password and need to select his bank, customer ID and password. After submitting one OTP will be asked. After validation, customer need to select loan type, and to get credit to this lead, customer has to click on assistance by branch staff. In bank section, you must enter your e-code as specified earlier. In NTB cases, do not change sales promo code. Click on continue. Here, only customer's selfie needed. All the things will automatically fetched. Physical form is not required where this photo has been captured. After successful submission, loan application reference will be generated. Let us discuss video KYC. Once eKYC and PAN is validated, customer will receive SMS and email. Customer has to click on link. His mobile number is populated and he has to validate it through OTP. Some prerequisites like customer has to be in India and he should have white paper and strong internet connection at any point of time. If customer gets dropped out, he can use same link and proceed further. Once customer clicks, he will be asked for certain permissions like location, camera, mic, etc. Once he provides access and clicks on start, he will come face to face with agent. An agent will guide him through process like he has to show his PAN card, do signatures in front of agent. Once everything will be done, customer will be shown thank you page.
Thank you and happy selling.